How to add subtitles on Youcut. Want to make your videos easier to understand or reach a wider audience? Let's add subtitles in Youcut, quick and clear. Start by opening your project in Youcut. Tap on the text option in the toolbar. Type in your first subtitle line. You can adjust the font, color, and size to match your style. Now drag the text clip on the timeline to match the dialogue or audio. Tap duplicate to quickly add the next line and just update the text. Keep placing each subtitle in sync with your video's spoken words. Use the zoom in option on the timeline to fine-tune each subtitle's timing. Want to speed things up? Pre-write your subtitles and paste them one by one while previewing the video. What language do you usually subtitle your videos in? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.